In the world of food production, sardine canning stands out. It is swift and efficient. Factories can process 1,500 kilograms of sardines in just 24 hours. This is an astonishing feat. The automation and technology involved are remarkable. Imagine the scale. Every minute, a significant amount of sardines are moving through various stages. The process is seamless. It ensures that the fish are canned quickly and preserved for consumption. This efficiency does not compromise quality. Each sardine is handled with care. The end product is delicious and safe to eat. The journey of a sardine from sea to can is a fascinating one. The sheer volume processed daily is a testament to modern technology. Factories today have become marvels of engineering and design. They ensure that millions of sardines are canned efficiently. The journey of the sardine begins with cleaning. Fresh sardines arrive at the factory. They are immediately washed to remove any dirt and impurities. This ensures that only the cleanest fish move forward in the process. Next comes salting. Sardines are immersed in a saline solution. This step is crucial. It enhances the flavor and helps in preservation. The amount of salt used is carefully measured. Too much or too little can affect the taste and quality. Once salted, the sardines are cooked. This is usually done through steaming. Steaming preserves the nutrients and keeps the fish tender. The cooking time is optimized to ensure perfect texture. These initial steps are vital. They set the foundation for the canning process. The cleanliness, salting and cooking must be precise. Only then can the sardines proceed to the next stage of canning. Once the sardines are cooked, they are ready for canning. The cooked sardines are placed into cans. This is done using automated machinery. The sardines are packed tightly but carefully. The aim is to fit as many as possible without damaging them. Next, the cans are sealed. This is a critical step. The sealing must be airtight. Any compromise can lead to spoilage. Modern sealing machines ensure that every can is perfectly closed. After sealing, the cans undergo sterilization. This is done using high-pressure steam. Sterilization kills any remaining bacteria. It ensures that the sardines are safe to eat and have a long shelf life. The entire canning and sterilizing process is automated. It is efficient and reliable. It ensures that millions of sardines are canned and preserved daily, ready to be shipped worldwide. One of the leading sardine canning factories is located in Galicia, Spain. This region is famous for its seafood. The factory here is a model of modern efficiency. It combines tradition with cutting-edge technology. The factory's layout is designed for optimal workflow. From the arrival of fresh sardines to the final canning, each step is streamlined. The machinery used is state-of-the-art. It ensures that the process is both fast and efficient. Galicia's factory is not just about speed, it focuses on quality as well. The sardines processed here are considered some of the best. The factory adheres to strict standards to maintain this reputation. This factory is a testament to how modern technology can enhance traditional practices. It stands as a leader in the sardine canning industry, showcasing the best of both worlds. Section 5. The workforce behind the efficiency. While automation plays a huge role, the human workforce is indispensable. The factory in Galicia employs around 100 people. These workers ensure that everything runs smoothly. They monitor the machines and handle any issues that arise. These employees are skilled and experienced. They understand the nuances of sardine canning. Their expertise ensures that the process is not just fast, but also maintains high quality. They perform regular checks to ensure standards are met. The workforce is involved in various stages. From the initial cleaning to the final packing, human oversight is crucial. Automation can handle repetitive tasks, but human intuition and experience are irreplaceable. The combination of automation and a skilled workforce is what makes the factory so efficient. It ensures that the factory can process 1,500 kilograms of sardines in just 24 hours without compromising on quality. Section 6. Historical overview of sardine canning. Sardine canning has a rich history. It dates back to the early 19th century. The process was first developed in France. The goal was to preserve fish for longer periods. This was crucial for sailors and soldiers who needed a reliable food source. The early methods were labor-intensive. Everything was done by hand. From cleaning to canning, it required a lot of manual work. However, it was a significant advancement at the time. It allowed people to enjoy sardines even when they were far from the sea. As technology evolved, so did sardine canning. The introduction of machines in the 20th century revolutionized the industry. It made the process faster and more efficient. Factories could now produce canned sardines on a much larger scale. Today, sardine canning is a blend of tradition and modernity. The core principles remain the same, but the methods have improved drastically. The history of sardine canning is a journey of innovation and adaptation. Section 7. Evolution of sardine canning. The evolution of sardine canning has been remarkable. From manual labor to fully automated factories, the changes have been significant. Early methods were rudimentary but effective for the time. Today, the process is a marvel of modern engineering. One of the most significant advancements has been in machinery. Early canning machines were basic. Modern machines are highly sophisticated. They can handle thousands of sardines per hour with incredible precision. Automation has also improved quality control. In the past, it was hard to ensure every can was perfect. Today, advanced sensors and cameras monitor the process. They detect any issues instantly, ensuring only the best sardines make it to the shelves. The evolution has also been about sustainability. Modern factories focus on reducing waste and energy consumption. They aim to be as eco-friendly as possible. The journey from past to present in sardine canning is one of continuous improvement and innovation. Section 8. Sustainability in the sardine canning industry. Sustainability is a key focus in the sardine canning industry today. With growing awareness of environmental issues, factories are adopting greener practices. This includes everything from energy use to waste management. Modern factories use energy-efficient machines. These machines consume less power and operate more efficiently. This reduces the overall carbon footprint. Factories are also investing in renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. Waste management is another critical area. Factories are finding ways to recycle and reuse waste. This includes fish waste, which can be turned into valuable products like fish meal and oil. Sustainable practices also extend to the sourcing of sardines. Factories are working with fisheries that follow sustainable fishing practices. This ensures that sardine populations remain healthy and abundant. Sustainability is not just a trend, but a necessity for the future of the sardine canning industry. Section 9. Practical tips for canning sardines. Freshness. When it comes to canning sardines at home, freshness is crucial. Start with the freshest sardines you can find. The quality of the fish will directly affect the final product. Fresh sardines have bright eyes, firm bodies and a mild smell. Once you have your fresh sardines, clean them thoroughly. Remove any scales, guts and heads. This ensures that only the best parts of the fish are canned. Proper cleaning is essential for both taste and hygiene. After cleaning, consider salting the sardines. This helps in preservation and enhances the flavor. Use a salt solution or dry salt the fish before cooking them. The right amount of salt is key. Too much can overpower the fish, while too little won't preserve it properly. Finally, cook the sardines before canning. Steaming is a good method as it preserves the fish's nutrients and texture. Once cooked, they are ready to be canned and sealed. Freshness at every step ensures a delicious and safe final product. Section 10. Practical tips for canning sardines. Quality of salt and thorough cooking. The quality of salt used in canning sardines is essential. Choose high-quality sea salt or kosher salt. These salts have a pure flavor that enhances the sardines without adding any unwanted tastes. Avoid using iodized salt as it can give the fish a metallic flavor. Salting should be done carefully. If using a brine solution, ensure it's well mixed. The sardines should be evenly coated. If dry salting, sprinkle the salt evenly over the fish. The goal is to ensure each sardine is properly seasoned. Cooking is the next critical step. Steam the sardines until they are cooked through. The cooking time can vary based on the size of the fish. Proper cooking eliminates harmful bacteria and ensures the fish are safe to eat. Once cooked, quickly move on to canning. The sardines should be packed tightly but without crushing them. Seal the cans immediately to lock in the flavor and freshness. Proper salting and thorough cooking are the final touches that ensure high-quality canned sardines.
Welcome to the bloody kitchen, you lot. Today we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of instant noodles. We're talking about the real deal, the culinary magic that happens behind the factory doors. You think you know noodles? Think again. We're going to show you exactly how those curly little devils go from simple dough to the steaming hot bowl of deliciousness you crave. And for those of you ready to ditch the packet and up your noodle game, we're serving up a piping hot review of the top 5 noodle and pasta makers on the market. We'll break down each machine from its build quality to its performance so you can find the perfect tool to create your own culinary masterpieces at home. Get ready to become a noodle ninja. First up, we've got the Mercato Atlas 150, straight from the heart of Italy. This bad boy is a workhorse, built like a tank and ready to tackle any pasta challenge you throw at it. The Atlas 150 is constructed from chrome-plated steel, giving it a sleek and sturdy design that screams quality. You can tell just by looking at it that this machine is built to last. No dodgy plastic bits here. Now let's talk about performance. The Atlas 150 boasts a 150mm roller width, which means you can crank out large batches of pasta in a flash. It also features a 10-setting dial for adjusting the dough thickness, giving you ultimate control over your pasta creation. Whether you're craving delicate angel hair or hearty fettuccine, this machine has got you covered. But it doesn't stop there. The Atlas 150 comes with a handy cutter attachment, allowing you to effortlessly slice your pasta sheets into perfect spaghetti or fettuccine strands. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even purchase additional attachments for creating other pasta shapes like ravioli, pappardelle, and more. This machine is a dream to use, even for a complete novice. The hand crank operates smoothly and the pasta sheets glide through the rollers with ease. The clamp securely attaches the machine to your countertop, preventing any unwanted slipping and sliding during use. Listen, I've worked in some of the best kitchens in the world, and let me tell you, this machine wouldn't look out of place in any of them. It's a professional-grade piece of kit that delivers exceptional results. If you're serious about your pasta, the Mercato Atlas 150 is worth every penny. Next up is the Philips Compact. A true testament to the saying, good things come in small packages. Don't let its compact size fool you. This little machine packs a punch when it comes to performance. It's the perfect solution for those of you working with limited counter space, but don't want to compromise on quality or features. The Philips Compact boasts a sleek and modern design that will look right at home in any kitchen. It's made from durable plastic and features a convenient storage drawer for the attachments, keeping everything tidy and organized. Despite its small footprint, the Philips Compact doesn't skimp on features. It offers a range of dough thickness settings, allowing you to create everything from delicate lasagna sheets to chewy udon noodles. The automatic mixing and kneading function takes the hard work out of pasta making, leaving you free to focus on other tasks in the kitchen. And speaking of easy, this machine is a breeze to clean. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe, saving you precious time and effort. Now let's be honest, you're not going to be feeding an army with this machine. But for small households or those who only make pasta occasionally, the Philips Compact is a fantastic option. It's affordable, easy to use, and delivers consistently good results. Chapter 3. Sardine Ultimate Pasta Perfection Made Easy. Now, for those of you who value simplicity and ease of use above all else, let me introduce you to the Sardine Ultimate. This machine is like having your own personal Italian chef in your kitchen, ready to whip up perfect pasta at a moment's notice. The Sardine Ultimate is designed with convenience in mind. It features a user-friendly interface with clear and intuitive controls. Even if you've never touched a pasta maker before, you'll be churning out restaurant-quality noodles in no time. One of the standout features of the Sardine Ultimate is its automatic pasta extruder. Simply add your ingredients to the machine, select your desired pasta shape, and let the machine work its magic. It's that easy. And don't even get me started on the range of pasta dyes that come with this machine. We're talking spaghetti, fettuccine, penne, rigatoni, and a whole host of other shapes to tantalize your taste buds. You can even purchase additional dyes separately, allowing you to expand your pasta repertoire even further. The Sardine Ultimate is a bit of an investment, but trust me, it's worth every penny. It's a high-quality, reliable machine that takes all the guesswork out of pasta making. If you're ready to elevate your culinary game and impress your dinner guests, look no further than the Sardine Ultimate. Chapter 4, KitchenAid 3-piece roller and cutter set, the KitchenAid companion. Now, for all you KitchenAid fans out there, listen up. If you're lucky enough to own one of those iconic stand mixers, then you need to get your hands on the KitchenAid 3-piece roller and cutter set. It's the perfect way to transform your trusty KitchenAid into a pasta-making powerhouse. This set includes everything you need to roll and cut your own pasta, all powered by the unmatched power and performance of your KitchenAid mixer. The set typically includes 3 attachments: a pasta roller, a spaghetti cutter, and a fettuccine cutter. Some sets may even include additional cutters for creating other pasta shapes. The pasta roller attachment effortlessly transforms your dough into smooth, even sheets, ready for cutting. The rollers are adjustable, allowing you to achieve the perfect thickness for your desired pasta dish. Whether you're craving delicate wonton wrappers or hearty pappardelle noodles, this roller can handle it all. The spaghetti and fettuccine cutters attach to the roller with ease, allowing you to effortlessly create perfectly cut strands of pasta. The cutters are sharp and precise, ensuring consistent results every time. Now, I know what you're thinking, Gordon, isn't this just another gadget cluttering up my kitchen? And to that, I say absolutely not. This attachment set is a game changer for any KitchenAid owner. It's versatile, easy to use, and delivers exceptional results. Plus, it saves you valuable counter space by utilizing your existing KitchenAid mixer. It's a win-win situation. Chapter 5. Philips Pasta Maker plus the Rolls-Royce of pasta makers. And finally, we've arrived at the creme de la creme of pasta makers, the Philips Pasta Maker Plus. This machine is for the true pasta aficionado, the one who demands nothing but the absolute best. It's a thing of beauty, with its sleek design and advanced features. But don't let its good looks fool you. This machine is a workhorse in the kitchen. The Philips Pasta Maker Plus takes all the guesswork out of pasta making with its automatic weighing and mixing functions. Simply add your ingredients to the machine, and it will determine the perfect water ratio for your dough. No more dry, crumbly pasta disasters. This machine boasts a powerful motor that can handle even the toughest doughs. Whether you're making delicate angel hair or hearty pappardelle, the Philips Pasta Maker Plus can handle it all with ease. The extrusion process is quick and efficient, producing perfectly shaped pasta in minutes. And let's not forget about the impressive range of pasta shapes this machine can create. The Philips Pasta Maker Plus comes with a variety of shaping discs, allowing you to experiment with different pasta styles. From classic spaghetti and fettuccine to more unique shapes like penne, rigatoni, and even lasagna sheets, the possibilities are endless. Now, I'm not going to lie, the Philips Pasta Maker Plus is an investment. But if you're serious about your pasta and want a machine that delivers professional-grade results, this is the one for you. It's a true game changer that will elevate your culinary skills to new heights. So, there you have it, you lucky devils. We've taken you inside the fascinating world of instant noodle production and armed you with the knowledge to create your own pasta masterpieces at home. Remember, choosing the right pasta maker depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider your budget, available counter space, and how often you plan on using the machine. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a complete novice, there's a pasta maker out there for you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to get your hands on these amazing products, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more culinary adventures. Now go forth and conquer the world of pasta, one delicious noodle at a time.